Hey, it's Raina with Lylo Crafts, and today I'm so excited. I am participating in the hashtag Gratitude Collab hosted by Creating with Jovi and Cindy A. Lewis, and there's 16 additional people that are participating in this awesome collab. And isn't it wonderful that we get to focus on thankfulness in the month of November? And so for this week, our prompt was to say what our favorite thing was about where we lived. And so I couldn't limit myself to just one, so I have 3 things I'm going to share with you. So I made this little banner here, or this little pocket, thankful for where I live. And the first thing I want to say that I am most thankful for are the people. And so these are some of my good friends and that I am getting to do life here with. I love them. They are crazy. They are wacky. We are serving the community together, donating things to families in need at public schools. We are learning about God together, and most of all, we are laughing together. So I love that. The other thing that I love are the sweet animals that we get to see. This is from Jovi's kit, you guys, this adorable little squirrel. And what I did over here was I put a bunch of little critter stickers that show through this little tab here. And then the other thing I am really thankful for about where I live is that we have seasons. And so I come from California, now I live in Tennessee, and we really only have like 2 seasons in California. Phenomenal weather and, it's like sweater weather. But out here we have the full gamut, and last year was the first year that I went through, so this is my second fall. And so these are just some of the things that I love about fall. I love all the pumpkins. I love that we have so much countryside, that we can go to farms where there's just acres and acres of places to explore. And this beautiful word also from Jovi's kit. This pumpkin spice cup also from Jovi's kit. And I love all things pumpkin spice. I love the mums, the red leaves on the trees. I also love the cooler weather of fall. Then comes winter. This was such a beautiful season to experience for the first time snowfall live in person. And these animals, these are the deer. We have so many animals here. We are very blessed. We back up to some woods, and so we see animals here every day. But look how their colors change. I had no idea that their coats changed colors. But everything does fall off. The grass is dead, the leaves fall, and it's pretty barren. But also a slower pace of life starts to happen, and you get to enjoy each other, and you can, sit and watch movies together. And so that is sweet in its own right too. Then I was so excited when spring rolled around, when the green leaves came back and the flowers started to bloom. And, the lakes, they have beautiful water in them because we get a lot of rain in the winter. And so everything is just so gorgeous. And spring reminds me of a beautiful time of renewal. So I always look forward to spring. And then lastly, the next season would be summer. And look, there's the deer with their coats all changed back. There's babies that are born. So that is so sweet. This is my backyard right here. And this is a lake that we live really close to. And the skies and the sunsets are just phenomenal in summer. And I love that there is a season to everything in life, and I'm just really learning about the rhythm of different seasons, and so that has been such a blessing. So don't go, because I want to show you freebies that are available to you next, and then I'm going to do a quick flip through of my journal so you can get a sneak peek at more of Jovi's kit that you can get on her Etsy store. So the first freebie is all these sweet little critters, and I cut that little squirrel out and already used them, but a fox, raccoon, mushrooms, hedgehog, squirrels, just adorable. And here is one of those falls that I used in the pumpkin spice cup. Cozy vibes, pumpkin pie autumn. Ooh, look at that That's tea over here, a cupcake, and a candle. Again, these are part of the freebies. Look at this beautiful journaling page, and look at this one too. Now, if you want to know how to get these freebies, they are available on both Jovi Journals and Cindy A. Lewis Crafts. Those are private groups in Facebook. So you can just message those lovely ladies in Facebook. You can mention that you saw it here at the Gratitude Collab, and they would be happy to connect with you. They'd be excited. Okay, so now let me show you some more of the beautiful pages from Jovi's kit. And so look at this wonderful farm scene with this ladder and sunflower and the wagon wheel. I love that. All of these circles, a thankful and blessed, this pumpkin, those flowers, those are all part of her kit. Oh, and this paper right here is also part of her kit, this background paper I've got there. Then right here, this is the next page. Look at this. This is from her thing. You are stronger than you think. And I think that's so appropriate because we all go through storms in life, and sometimes we just need to be reminded of that. I wanted to show you that I even took this packaging. This is a button card, and I just wrote on it. I put some paper on the back and wrote on that as part of my journaling. And then over here, this beautiful paper, also part of Jovi's kit right here. And then over here, this I got off of a junk mail calendar that was sent to me. So can you believe that? So I made that into a tuck. These are, again, magazine clippings, and this was from Happy Mail that I received from Virginia Martin and Alma Tyser. And then this beautiful tag is also from Jovi's kit, Grateful, Thankful, and Blessed. I've got that in here. This is more packaging and junk mail, right, put together, and I've just gone ahead and, journaled on the back of that. These were all scraps. I just made a little belly band, which was also a scrap of paper, and just wrote on all my different scraps, and I just fanned them all out so you could see them. And then I did want to draw your attention to this. This is one of those plastic sleeves from stickers that we get. I just used some double-sided tape, and I attached that over here. And then also on this side, I have beautiful tuck on both sides from that. And then here is another wonderful sentiment from Jovi's kit. Be kind to yourself. I think that is so, so important. And then this, you got this, also from Jovi's kit. And then this page too. Isn't that beautiful? And this page, this background page, also from Jovi's kit, and this, Choose to be Grateful. So those are the things I'm sharing with you today. Please make sure and use that hashtag Gratitude Collab and go and check out all the other amazing makers. They are not all going to be journal makers. So many fun things. And I will put a link to everyone's channel in the description below. And next week, Wednesday, we are going to be talking about what are we looking forward to this month. And so I will share more of Jovi's kit waiting for me to go ahead and use. So thank you guys so much for spending time with me today, and I hope you have an amazing day. Bye-bye.